Do you feel off balance when you're moving to hit a shot? Or has someone told you that you're running through the shot and you're hitting the ball out? Don't go anywhere. If you're a new visitor, welcome. We talk about all things pickleball on this channel, with a special focus on the player that's over 50. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and then the bell. That way you'll get a notification every time I post a new video on Saturdays. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. I coach multiple sports, and the basics to every sport are good footwork. Consistency in sport starts at the bottom, and pickleball is no different. Footwork in pickleball isn't just about getting to the ball, it's about the delicate movements required to get to the ball, to play the next shot with a balanced base and give you the best opportunity to win the point. Let's take a look at how some of the best moving pros do it. This is Tyson McGuffin, and you'll notice that while his feet aren't planted, he stops his forward motion before hitting the shot. Another great mover. You'll notice there's a lot of similarities between her footwork and Tyson's. Their feet aren't planted, but their forward motion is stopped before they hit the ball, making an error much less likely. Today we're going to focus on our footwork with ground strokes. Even though we're focusing on the baseline, this drill is going to help you to be more balanced no matter where you're at on the court, whether it's the baseline, moving to the net, or at the net. To set up this drill, I place 2 cones about 3 feet inside the baseline and 2 feet from the center line. As I move, I want to focus on 3 things: staying on the balls of my feet, staying balanced, and stopping my feet before I actually take a swing. Once you're comfortable with that, have a friend stand at the non-volley zone and simply toss you balls as you move side to side. Again, you're trying to make sure that you are on the balls of your feet, that you're balanced, and that you're stopping your motion before you make your swing. Now we're going to work in a figure 8 pattern, which will work our forward, backward, and sideways motion. Start without a paddle and get used to the movement. Move to the forehand, stop, set, and swing. Then you'll want to shuffle around the cone to the backhand side, stop, set, and swing. Every time you're moving, you should be focused on staying on the balls of your feet as you move, and then stopping prior to taking your swing. If you'd like to learn more about your footwork, click over here on this video series. It will help you to get better at moving around the court and become more consistent. If you got value from this video, tell me what you liked about it in the comments below. Give it a like, or better yet, share it with your pickleball playing friends. Because together, we can train smart, live bold, and age well.